account, but let's check it anyways. It doesn't say. Okay. Doesn't say I'm live yet. I don't know why I'm not subscribed, but okay. Subscribe real quick. Prevlaying is still in the works. Oh, there we go. Prevlaying is still in the works. Oh, there we go. Wonder why it's only showing my specs. Oh, there we go. Wonder why it's only showing my specs. Oh, there we go. Wonder why it's only showing my. Okay, so I'm gonna mute the stream. Copy the link. Stream. There is no song, Tal, shut up. You're dumb. So I should probably start out with explaining exactly what all this is. Yeah, Tal, that doesn't look right. Yeah, that's not good. So I'm probably gonna have to convert a lot of this stuff over. So first off, I shouldn't be using .getID. I should be using .get namespace. Jeez, it's kind of laggy and buggy right now. Oh wait, yeah, it is .getID, and then I should do get namespace rather than using the ID. So that's weird. So this might be a little bit of an issue. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, so ID should be next string. ID string ID is equal to that, and then item so if it's empty, I gotta set the language level up higher. Is there any? Oh, here, I'll move my mic closer. Move my bed a little bit. All right. So, currently working on this item serializer. So, this should be a resolved error in a second. Let's check. Okay. Yeah, it is. I wonder if I can get from namespace. From string. Here, let me look at the documentation. Replace damage with meta. Alright, so that's that already. Item.set custom name display name. Okay. I need to set the can I do identifier dot from, yep, I can. So I can just use from string, and I believe if I use the namespace, or no, the ID is what it's called, it'll pull the item. And then I should do item.set count equal to count, and then item.set meta to meta. Alright, so let me comment this out. Okay. Well, right off the bat, we shouldn't be setting these objects to null. We should instead just set them to empty. And then check if it is empty. That's for some performance enhancements. So from here to here. It's reading the item properties from a JSON string. And then it initializes the item and then returns the item. Okay, so read should be finished now. There might be some issues in that, so I should comment out my main changes. So major changes include bug potential is identifier dot from string, as I can guess that this is the method I wanted. Alright, so I believe that's the item adapter class finished. I made a setup vid already. Yeah, I might be able to change my mic gain using my broadcast settings. 1 second. Audio, microphone, volume, and then I'm gonna boost it a little bit. Is that better? Tell me if that's better. You should be hearing it any minute now. Two viewers, that's not that bad. Two viewers, that's not that bad. All right. Maybe a bit more. Okay, because I don't want to talk too loud. We'll just do 50% for the order of the court. All right. So now that we have this potentially done, I'm not exactly sure if it's done. I kind of want to get into auction house. So I'm gonna have to create a new what's it called, class or package for this. Not sure what it's going to be called yet, but I should look in my inventory utilities, and of course it doesn't seem to be showing. Actually, I don't need anything in inventory utilities just yet. Maybe a little bit in the future, but currently no. So what I should be doing is, yeah, create a new package, and let's call this I need a good package name for this. Tal, do you know a good package name for so yeah, I need a new package name for like the plugins that are going to be inside of the core. If you're still watching, here I can just type it in chat. Yeah, for the plugins. So like auction house and shit like that. Yeah. It's not that delayed though, honestly. Yeah. It's not that delayed though, honestly. It's like a 10-second delay. Not quite sure what that package name is going to be though. I don't want to call it commons because it's already 8th PE common utilities. So just call it base, and then I just have to make a new file, I guess. Placeholder. And then make a new package in here. Call this auction house. Alright, so let's make our main class here, and let's add that to our Git repository. Let's start out with a constructor that is going to initialize our database inside of here. So this will include the here, wait, do we have database utilities done yet? I don't believe we do. We don't even have database utilities, so that's kind of a big rip. I can build it on as we go though. So yeah, let's create a new utilities class and call this database utilities. Yep. And then make it to and make a constructor in here. Database utilities. String name. File. Database file. And then I need one more. I think that's actually good. And we also need to get JDBC, yeah. So I need to find the, well, I can work on database utilities as I go. So JDBC Maven. SQLite. Let's just use this. All right, so right off the bat, we already have 3 dependencies. I believe we're gonna have to build with JDBC though. Yeah, we are. Okay, so right off the bat, we need to create a new JDBC connection or database connection. No. Connection, yeah, that's what it is. Connection is equal to JDBC dot create connection. I don't remember how to do this. Create a connection in Java using JDBC SQLite. Okay, driver manager. Okay, that's what it was. So we first need to make a connection, and then from here, connection should be equal to driver manager. Yep. Driver manager dot get connection of JDBC SQLite of database. So I'm gonna do that out here. Database plus database file dot get absolute path. I need to make a try. Exception e dot print stack trace. Okay, and then connection dot. That's not it. Yeah. String name. Okay. Yeah, that's going to be a slight issue in the future. I've always had some troubles using this. So let's see other ways to do this. I should always skip this class also. Could just put this in the try. I'm stupid, but yep. I believe if I go back to my POM, com.sqlite, do I even have that? Org.sqlite. Because I've had some issues with this in the past. Okay. All right, so with my yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. With fake inventories here, I'm just gonna overall create a, oh wait, I wasn't supposed to do that. In artifacts, I need to add, wait, I need to add a scope modifier to this. And then, I don't remember the scope, Maven scope provided. Wait, no. Maven dependency scopes. Compile. I need compile. Yeah. But I'm not sure. I might have to recompile my artifacts or recreate my artifacts. All right, perfect. And now I'm gonna have to add this to my plugins folder, then just apply it. All right, so that shouldn't be an issue from here. Now that I have all of that, I'm gonna remove a little bit of this clutter. Okay, so now that should be working. I don't believe that, yeah, that's not a class file. Or is it? No, I need that. Yeah, I need that. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. Okay, perfect. So from here, I'm going to make a function called getString. Yeah, so public string getString, and then I'm gonna have the string as the query. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this, but I like doing it this way. SQL exception E. We got print stack trace. Wait. Okay. So I need to do connection.create statement or prepare statement. Statement is equal to connection.create statement. So I'm gonna call this just stat or state. Yeah, state's a good name. And then I'm gonna do state.execute query, the query, which is gonna give me a result set, and I'm gonna return get. Ooh, that's kind of difficult. Huh. Okay. Okay, can I just return the result set? Yeah, I'm gonna just return the result set. And then from there I can get all of my stuff. Tal, can you confirm that this works? That this isn't just gonna fuck over my code. Okay, perfect. Oh wait, I should be doing execute query. And then yeah, I just changed that. So now that I have that, I should do a public void execute update string query. Where I also basically just do the same thing. Whoa. an SQL exception, that's probably not going to do anything now that I think about it. Yeah, it's not. I have to get the message, but either way, it's still going to tell me if there's something going on. Actually, for the measure, for the good of the order, I should also print out the message. Both of these. So here, statement state is equal to connection.create statement. State.execute update query. Should actually turn this into a boolean. So boolean, if it worked, then return true. Otherwise, return false. So that's basically the gist of the database utilities class for now, at least. I'm probably going to add some more in the future, but I'm just going to comment out these methods. So executes an SQL query to the database initialized. And then this one executes an update, an SQL update to the database initialize. I'm going to do some more intensive commenting and documentation on these methods later on. Oh, I forgot to add a... Wait, did I? Oh, I did a prepare statement instead of create statement. Alright, so I have database utilities finished off, so I won't have to do that inside this project anymore. So in the future streams that I'm doing, there's not going to be that issue. But I need to start out with initializing my database utilities. My database utilities object for auction house, so we can put entries and get entries from the database, the auction house database. So first things first, we should check if the file exists. So I should do a try statement in here and catch all exceptions. So exception of E. And then file is equal to new file. And then the file data path should be 8th pe dot main instance dot get data folder dot get absolute path plus slash auction house. Wait, no, let's make a database folder. So, and then if file.exists is false, then we can just create a new file from it. So file.create new file. I don't think this method's gonna work now that I think about it. That's pretty good. Let's see. Oh, whoa, this is some really bad stream quality, isn't it? Is this really what the stream quality is? There's no way it's that bad. Okay, good. So now I need to grab, or wait, if file exists, create a new file. And then auction house utilities. Yeah, I just need to create a new instance of auction house utilities. Dot is equal to new auction house. Oh wait, no, database utilities. My bad. And let's just call this auction house. And yeah. All right. So logically this should work, but some shit's not logical sometimes. So I'm gonna create an initialize database. Yeah, method. So public. Let's make it a void, public void initialize database. And what this is going to do is create all of the necessary tables if needed. So now that we have this, we can create our tables. So let's execute a update. So auction house utilities dot execute update. Create table, and then I need these, I believe. Wait, no, I don't. Create table auctions if not exists. I'm gonna just check if that works real quick. SQL Lite, yeah, SQLiteonline.com. File. Is that what I do? Create table. All right. So what I'm gonna need to do is plan out what my auctions database is gonna be. So let me open up Notepad real quick. Ooh. Let me get some water too. So from here, I'm going to need a few things. So let's start out with a int ID for each auction that we can call on. Let's do with a item. Yeah, it's going to be a string item using our item serializer. So then we're going to do an int price. So that's going to be implemented later on. So we can't exactly finish auction house today, but we can come pretty close. So now that we have int price, we need string author. So we're going to store this as a UUID. So that's 4. And we should do int seconds. So we should convert, actually no, we don't need a seconds value. We can just do minutes. So int minutes until expired. And then, well, does it need minutes until expired? Should we do a field where people have only a certain amount of time that they can have? Here, I'll just ask in the group chat. Okay. Alright, yeah, so they should. So minutes until expired, this can be the max is going to be, so here, let me open up a calculator. So 7 times 24 times 60, oh wait. So that's the max value for it. So that's going to be a constant that I'm going to set in here real quick. So public static final int 1 week, and that's just going to equal that. Okay, so let's just make this time till expired. And then this is going to increment or de-increment by 1 every minute. I'm not sure if we want it to be exact time, so should we have it as server uptime, or should it be, if we do it as server uptime, then this is going to be a lot easier than if it was going to be some server downtime. Also, I think we should do server uptime. Do you agree that we should do server uptime? So server uptime. So that's going to be a lot easier if we do it that way. What else do we need? It's time till expired. I think that's about it. Yeah. Okay. So let's convert this into here. I think it's smart if I just do this. SQL Lite query builder. I can't type. No, not downloading anything online. Looks like I'm just doing it up here. Create table. I just want to create a table. Yeah, it's not going to let me. Yeah, no, it's not going to let me. Oh, wait, actually. Create table if not exists. Auctions where we have this. Name, so we have to, wait, no, we're not going to have name, we're going to have string, so item as in text, price as an integer, string author is a UUID, so UUID length 36 characters. So I should have a varchar of 36 characters. So UUID, author varchar of 36, and then an integer, time left integer. So bam, we have that done. That is our first query done. Creates our main auction table. Should probably build this right now actually and test it real quick. So auction house is equal to new auction house. I just need to do initialize database. Okay, so let's build this real quick. Building. All right, it's built. So let's go to Nukkit 2.0 and open up a new Git bash window. Hopefully no errors come up when I run the jar. Okay, so that is the first error. Cannot find the path specified. So what I believe we're going to need to do is create the /database. Yeah. So file.makedir, and then new file of file.get absolute path plus /auction house.database dot create new file. All right. So let's stop that. Let it do its thing. Compiled successfully. Now let's build. Huh. Okay. Not really sure what's going on. At 18. Oh wait, is it getting an error? Wait. So here, let me check if this is actually working. Oh, okay. So the makeDirs should fix that issue real quick. All right, continue the build, and then stop it. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't really play around with files that much, but let's hope it does. Okay, so this is another, yep. So let's check. APE database it does not say that it's created the file. So that's kind of an issue. That's weird. Why didn't it create the file? Let me check. Huh. Alright, so let's substitute that for that. And then build again. This is probably like a really simple solution. I'm just really blowing this out of the park. But, yeah. Probably like a really simple. Tal, if you know what's going on, can you please tell me? Also, sorry if you guys hear crying in the background. My little brother's a little annoying. Oh, you're fine. Okay, so I need to stop the server moments ago. Huh. Alright, so it's successfully created the database folder, and let's open this up in the SQLite browser. So, file, open database. Great, I love that video. Nukkit 2.0. Plugins, database, auctionhouse.database. Okay, auctions, wait, what is SQLite sequence? Okay, I don't care. But that's the only thing that really matters, is that this successfully is working. So, now that we have this, we should create a new function in here called initialize, or no, create auction. So public boolean create auction player item and int price. So what this is going to do is insert a new entry into the database. So let's execute another update. So let's just copy this line of code real quick. So if I insert add a row, show SQL. So let's just copy this and paste it into my function right here. But let's actually remove these. Alright, so the first thing that we need is the ID. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. don't put anything in the ID field, do I? I want to remove, can I just not put anything in there? Wait, if I just do insert add row, data type mismatch, so that's kind of an issue. That doesn't seem to be working. So the item needs to be the item, so let's add 2 of these. So let's do item or objects, so item adapter. Do I take a new item? Yeah, okay. So I believe I'm gonna have to do no new JSON writer. So what I'm gonna do is create a JSON writer. Writer is equal not sure what that does. So Tal, what is this? Here, let me look in the item adapter. JSON writer. Oh, okay. I'm using the wrong type here. JSON writer. Writer is equal to new JSON writer. Why am I putting, I don't want to write it to a file directly. Tal, do you know how I can just get the straight text from a JSON writer instead of actually writing it to a file? Or is that not possible? Fortnite. Max, shut up. Can I ban him? Ooh, I can. So Tal, basically, like, I'm trying to create an auction. I'm not sure. So you have in your item adapter class this, where it gets everything. Wait, writer.name.value. Yeah, is it possible that I don't actually write it to a class and I can just get the straight string of it? No, so my current issue is, if you look right here, we have writer.name, and it appears that you're actually writing to an object, but I'm not sure what's going on with this object. Are you like writing it to a JSON file, or is it creating a new writing object? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm trying to do so I can put it as the item field in the database. The homosexuals. I don't want it to add it to a file though. I'm just trying to have it return as a plain string. So is it possible that I could just change this to a string return type and then return writer dot toString? If I do writer dot toString, it doesn't save it to a file. Well, how do I return it as just a plain string? How do I turn the JSON writer to a string? Do I just do toString? Or is there like a specific method to do it? All right. The adapters are fine. Yeah, I don't use JSON ever. Okay, so I can just return, can I return this as a string? Or no? Oh man. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Make a new JSON builder. Set the type adapter to item adapter. So I would just do JSON builder is equal to new JSON builder. So bu dot set registry type adapter. Register type adapter. Is that what I should use? Yep, okay. Register type adapter, and then the type. Item.class, okay. Oh, okay, so item.class, and then the type is, or the type adapter is item adapter. Oh wait, I need new item adapter. And then I should do bu dot Okay, and then JSON to JSON object. So from here, I should use bu.create, yep. And then string JSON to string is equal to, 1 second. Okay, then I don't know what I'm supposed to do. JSON, yeah, I did that. Oh wait, never mind. I'm stupid. So I have to continue this as Alright, so that's beast. Alright, and then so from here I just do g dot to to JSON, right? And then I just do item. Do I turn to JSON? Do I input the object field? Is that my item that I want to convert to JSON? Okay, so that makes sense. I'm gonna have to copy that out and yeah. All right, perfect. So right off the bat, I have some troubles. So that's not very cash money, but on the plus side, it's all fixed now. So let's comment this out as item to string converts creates the item to string builder, executes the update to insert the row into the database. All right, so the price of it, that's pretty simple to do. That's just the price. The author, that's just the, so author of auction. So I should just do player dot. I can't type. Get unique ID. And then the time left, I should just put in a week. Time left, this is the 1 week const. And then here, I really don't like the format of SQL sometimes. So this should just be 1 week. This is actually a good scenario that I should be using string.format. I'll let track do that for me later on. Okay, so now I just need to figure out this. So if I have, oh wait, I can just remove this, can't I? Yeah, I don't even need to insert that. So I wonder if this works now. Wait, I can just return this. All right. So the create auction function is finished. Let's see if anybody is commented. Nope, nobody has said anything. I'm already an hour and 15 minutes into the stream, so I think that's pretty good. Tal, can you look at this and confirm that this is like all good and dandy? Here, let me. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, so the create auction function should be finished now. I think the next thing to do is to make a get auction function from an ID. So that'll be relatively simple, or yeah, that'll be relatively simple. Yeah, I could easily do that. Okay, but in the meantime, I think I'm gonna pause the stream for a second and grab something to eat. So is it possible? Yeah, pause the stream. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we need to test to see if this properly works. So, alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. I don't want the echo. But the issue with this is I'm not sure if commands changed in the new Nukkit snapshot, but I guess we'll see. I don't believe they did. So let's generate just a new command called AH. So let's go to our plugin.yml. Let's make a new commands array. Let's call this auction house aliases AH. Wait. Tau. Do I have to use these in it? I believe so, actually. That's a good idea, actually. In the command map. So, sorry, I don't really do that often. So the command map I would do in my main class. So let's start out with this. Public void initiate commands. Wait. I've actually never done this before. That's actually a really good idea. We should just do it like this. So new Java auction command. Do I implement? So I think it's implements command. Yes. So return auction house. Auction house commands. Create, delete, or view auctions with the command. array is equal to return array. Alright, so I should use h auction I think that's good. Okay, so now I just need to register this as a new auction. Implement methods. That's an issue. Okay, execute. There we go. All right. So extends command. Refractor. Safe delete. The issue, tau. So, what type of command class should I be doing, you know? Just the command class. What is the package for the command class? Am I, when I'm registering a new command, am I just don't understand, man. Okay, I'm gonna just check this out real quick. Get server, get command cat. I have never used it this way. Get server dot get command map dot register. Control Q. All right, so I can do it that way. Auction commands. Extends command. Implement methods. Okay. Okay, that makes sense then. All right, perfect. Yeah, I'm trying to register the command. I get it now. I was like, well, how does the command map know the exact features of this? But I need to have a super. So, auction house. String description. Create, delete, and view auctions with just one command. Auction house. 1 second. Huh?
Do you have any dishes?
Yeah, I have a cup. Is it? Yes, it is. Okay. All right. So let me just use this to copy that and then initiate the commands. Oh, shit. All right. And then I can use this. Initiate commands. Okay. So it's a double method call, but oh well, who cares? So now what I can do is when it is player, or wait, if command sender instance of player I can just do auction house. That's an issue. I gotta create a new static variable for 8th PE. So public static auction house auction instance, and then from here on my onEnable, my initiate, I should use auction instance is equal to new auction house. So all right, so that's two things done. Oh, I'm stupid for that. So now if I use 8th dot auction instance dot create auction of player instance of command sender, and then wait, actually I should just overall create a player instance of the command sender. Player is equal to new player. No. Command sender. There's probably a million ways that I could better do this, but oh well. Get inventory dot get item in hand, and then let's just make the price something random here. Let's start out with 1,000. Or wait, we could do integer dot parseInt strings of 0. Yeah. Player.send message text format dot green plus successfully created an auction for player dot inventory dot get item in hand dot get name just get name plus 4 plus strings of 0. This isn't at all final for the auction house. I'm just trying to see if this works. Okay, so let's build this real quick. Build artifacts. Ouch. All right. Skip that. Okay, now stop. Okay, so now I just need to open up Minecraft, close down this because we no longer need this. Alright, everything's successfully loaded. Jeez, how does my phone keep falling on the ground? And then let's open up Minecraft. Oh, might be an actual problem though, because I'm not quite sure if Nukkit 2.0 updated to the new master branch. or to the new 14.6 version. And if they didn't, then this might be an issue for me. $60 frames per second. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I love this. 1 frame, 10 frames, 45 frames, 55 frames, 46 frames, 54 frames, 55 frames, 56 frames. I'm probably really annoying, but oh well. It's my channel. Sometimes you just gotta deal with it. I'm going on a stupid rant now. I should probably shut up. But for some reason, well, probably because I have every single application on my computer open. Game just not want to load. Okay, there we go. I am 95% sure this isn't gonna work. Wait, what? Never mind. So loading resources. I don't think this is actual. Alright, so slash auction house. I don't believe that's right. Auction house? Huh. Oh, okay, I'm really stupid. I tried joining the actual, okay. So this is the actual local hosted server on my computer. And that's an issue for me. So I should stop it real quick. And if I'm not mistaken, if I run the newest version of Nukkit X, so nukkitx.com, and I go to the downloads page. Let me check. What is the most recent build of it? Nukkit 2.0. So there was a successful build done. I can't see it because of that. Failed. Okay, so there was a build failed. That's weird. Alright, I'm still gonna try it anyways. So if I go to github.com/nukkitx, yep. Hey. Pull requests. I fix this issue. And this should be working. But for some reason it's always scanning for viruses. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. But in a few minutes I'm probably gonna work on this issue. That's a very broad issue. Shut up, Tal. I know, I know I'm stupid. Tal, is the 14.6 1.14.6 fix pushed to the 2.0 branch yet? Do you know? No, it didn't. So what is the testing server running on? Is it on the, are we using the master branch? I don't even know if Rogue knows what he's talking about. Because that might actually be an issue for us. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to test it. Because I'm running 1.14.6. Okay, so it is running the main branch. I'll try and look at it, see if I can port some stuff over right now. Yeah, so let's just close out of this for now. Wait, cancel. Then if I open up my current, here, let me just close all this. Okay, so we have our source branch, and I'm gonna open the new main, or the main branch here, to see the recent commits. Okay, this is going to be a pain in the ass. I can already tell. Okay. Jeez. This is gonna be slightly difficult. I don't believe that entity human. It might be. So entity human. All right, so this is going to be quite the journey going through this. Wait. So the biggest thing that he added was this, apparently. All right, now if I move this up a little bit, so it looks like the main things that he added was arm size and skin color. So what I need to do is add these values. So new skin. Alright, so I should definitely change this first. And that's an entity data. Implement miscellaneous. That's more of like block passive projectile vehicle. Hanging entity misc. This is really weird. So skin doesn't seem to be serialize your skin. Okay. And this is located in the client chain data. That's not what I want then. Serialized skin. Alright, so it's in the protocol library. Alright, well, this is gonna suck. Unless they have some sort, yeah, no, it doesn't look like it actually. Yeah, no, it's in this. That's where it's located. Alright, well, looks like I'm going to have to open up the protocol library too, so Nukkit. I can't type. Oh wait, I could just do this. Protocol. All right. Bedrock. 390. Oh, so it looks like he's already added the support. This is weird. Yeah, this is pretty weird. So he's already added that. All I need to do is add the proper flags and shit for the skin. Okay, add arm size and skin color. I just want to see what the original class was. All right. So new skin is saved as, let's open up Notepad. All right, so skin. Where's the skin? Yep, right there. And with this, skin is located in Bedrock data. Yeah, we use serialized skin, and serialized skin is saved in the protocol library. So that means I'm gonna have to work in the protocol library quite a bit, which doesn't seem very cash money to me. But at the same time, actually I don't. I just need to, if it's already added in, then I technically don't need to. But what is skin tag? Compound tag. So tag.getCompound. so let's move down to 160. So skin tag listen for the string. All right, because all of these are booleans. Yeah. All right. So listen for string arm size where I then do skin arm. That's not a thing. Great. So not only that, it's also using an outdated version of the protocol, I believe. So player skin serializer. Okay. So Nukkit X protocol, Bedrock packet. Data skin serialized skin. Okay. Arm size and skin color. It's added. All of these are added in the new version, but I don't believe that it's updated to the new version. So what I think I'm gonna have to do, let's look at the POM real quick. No, it doesn't use it. Okay, so Tal, are you still in the stream? I'm not opening that. let's not get banned from YouTube because Salty wants to be an idiot. Alright, so you're in the stream, right, Tal? Oh, wait, I think I found it. Oh. Yes, I have. Okay. So I just need to update the Nukkit protocol version to 390. Not sure what the 2.5.4 is. I'm just going to use the latest tag. All right, that works. So now I should just be able to go down to here to arm size, and then skin tag dot listen for, where is it? Skin color. String skin color, and this is in skin color. Skin tag dot listen for boolean is trusted skin, and that should be skin trust is, wait. Huh. Doesn't say that that's, yeah, I don't believe that it's needed. That's weird. Okay. So persona pieces. persona pieces. Okay. Nope. All right. So I am not being a very interesting streamer right now. Wow. That wasn't very necessary, just saying. Okay. So currently the protocol data uses arm size, skin color. All right, so this does exist. So persona pieces does yeah, it does. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is add this. If skin tag dot contains persona pieces, all right. Alright, so list of compounds tag called pieces equal to skin tag dot get list of persona pieces compound tag dot class. Okay. For compound tag piece for pieces dot get all. Never mind, that doesn't exist. Oh no, it's called list tag. New skin, skin tag dot get Okay, perfect. I get it now. So what I need to do is get the piece of that. So string piece ID is equal to piece dot get string piece ID string piece type is equal to piece dot get string piece type string pack ID is equal to piece dot get string pack ID and boolean is default is equal to piece dot get boolean is default, and then string product ID is equal to piece dot get string product ID. All right, and then just have to do it this way. List persona piece data persona pieces equal to new array list, and then I just need to add this. So persona pieces dot add new persona piece data, so piece ID, piece type, pack ID is default, and then product ID. skin dot persona pieces is persona pieces. Bam! Tal, I'm a freaking god at this stuff, apparently. Alright. Okay, so now that I have this part done, I just have to copy it basically. And then paste it. But instead of persona pieces, I just do piece tint colors, and then tint colors, piece tint colors, piece tint colors. Persona piece tint. So then piece tint new persona piece tint data, where instead string piece type is equal to piece dot get string piece type, and then okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna copy and paste this and then see if I can rewrite it. Piece Alright, so what am I going to have to put it to? Alright, so we have the type, and then I just need a list. Oh, okay, so I can just pass this. String tag So that's what that does. Okay, so I just need to convert this to a string array. Dot stream dot map where string tag to string tag dot data. Dot collect to collectors dot to list. All right. Skin dot set tag dot set nope, doesn't contain it. Alright, so that was a big pain in the ass, but I think I've gotten it, Tal. Hannah. Hannah. Are ye still watching, Hannah? Ooh. Okay. So it says one person is streaming, or one person is watching. I wonder who that one person is. Okay. Says there. Okay, Tao. So look. I was in the progress of adding the new stuff to the 2.0 branch so we can connect, and I've added all of this. So from here all the way down to here. There's still a lot that needs to be done. Like, if you look here, all that I've done is from here all the way down to here. So the rest that needs to be done is this, which you can basically copy and paste from my code. This is already done. We don't need to do this. Not sure if this is done. I'm going to check that. And not sure if that's done. Yeah, we can't do that stuff. It's a pain in the ass, but I'm getting through it. Slowly but surely. Talha Azim, you, my good sir, should help me do this. Okay? Okay? Okay, I'm gonna stop streaming that chat because I'm gonna get my channel terminated. Well, I've been streaming for 2 hours. I'd say that's pretty darn good. Got a lot done today. Started the base of Auction House and then started the port over to 2.0, so I'd say that's fairly good. But definitely expect a 24-hour stream because I'm doing it. I'm fucking doing it. It's not working. I am 100%. Oh my god. Okay, that's certainly interesting. Yeah, I really hope he wasn't because I feel really bad for that. But these guys are complete idiots. Thank everybody for watching the stream. Probably nobody really watched the stream. Got a bunch of the stuff done. I might start streaming more. I don't know if anybody's listening to me. It's probably just Tal and my screen, and that's it. Alright. Well,